Hi, it's Melissa. It's been a while since I did a video, but I wanted to come back because I miss doing my videos. I miss doing the things that make me happy. So, one of those things is also cooking and gardening. So, I have a garden that I started this summer and it is doing really good. I'm very proud of myself with my garden and where it started and where it is. And then also getting back into cooking, which I kind of lost my way a little bit because I am an empty nester and I'm used to just cooking in abundance. But now I don't. So just trying to get back in the swing of things and doing that cooking that I miss. It is something that calms me. It is something that gives me my peace when I do cook. It puts me in that mood or in that space where I'm me. So I'm actually starting to utilize the things that I've grown in my garden to incorporate them in the foods that I'm making. So, this recipe I actually got off of Pinch of Yum. It is a lemongrass chicken with rice and zucchini. It is delicious. And I have my lemongrass in my garden. So this is the first time I've done lemongrass. And when I tell you the fragrance on the lemongrass, it is phenomenal. I love it. It just it's a good smell when incorporating it into food. It is amazing. So this is my take on a pinch of yum, the lemongrass chicken with rice and zucchini. So I hope you enjoy it and leave your comments, suggestions, thumbs up. I appreciate it. Appreciate it all. So I'm going to show you my garden where I grew a lot of the vegetables that was used for this recipe. So this is my lovely garden with my lemongrass. As you can see, I got some herbs and some different vegetables. My tomatoes that are growing nicely, and I have some jalapenos as well, and some banana peppers that are growing. Um, but this is my garden that I am very proud of. I have some lettuce over there that has grown quite a bit. Um, but yeah, this is what gives me peace. Just being able to grow things that you can eat, it really is amazing for me. So yeah, this is my garden where I did grab some things for this recipe that I am very proud of. So from here, these are the items that I got from the garden for this delicious recipe. So these are the spices that I use for the chicken to season it. And as you can see, it is quite seasoned. And I use chicken thighs because it provides the most flavor. And this is me searing the chicken thighs in olive oil. And it turned out quite nice as I put all of them in there. These are the vegetables I had got from the garden, which is the lemongrass and the jalapenos. This is the chicken as it is cooking, and it turned out quite well. I set the chicken aside and I added all the vegetables that's needed, including garlic, the lemongrass, and the jalapenos. And I'm just stirring it all together, simmering it down. That's the chicken thighs that is draining along the side. I use this coconut milk to add to it, and I'm squeezing in some lime juice, and I did grate in a little bit of lime as well to give it some extra flavor. It came together quite well. As that was preparing, I got my rice in my pressure cooker along with my zucchini that was seasoned, and let that cook, and this is the finished product. I thank you for tuning into this video and seeing this wonderful recipe that I got off of a pinch of yum. Thank you. I would have never thought to create this, but incorporating that lemongrass was phenomenal. So just trying to do better, and be healthier and making better choices. So this is Melissa coming from Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. If you do have any real estate needs, I am here to help. Please send me a message and I will be happy to assist you. Thank you, and more videos to come.